In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of logging in to your PNC Bank account. If you have also enrolled for the online banking of PNC Bank, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now, if you're using a mobile device, you can also log in using the mobile app of PNC Bank. But for this video, we're going to use the website, which is for the online banking. Search for pncbank.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you land up on the website of PNC Bank, you can see a sign on button on the top. So you can just click on it and this login form will open up. Now this is the login form for the online banking. If you're trying to log into any other account, you can also select it by clicking on this arrow or this link, and you can choose from other services or other accounts that they provide. But for the online banking, firstly you need to type in the user ID. If you want this device to remember your ID, you can click on this button or check this box which says remember user ID. Avoid doing this process or this step if you're using a public device. In the second box, type in the password. If you happen to forget either your ID or your password, you can click on this link and either recover your ID or your password of the online banking. Once you type in both of these information, click on login, and if the details that you entered are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of PNC Bank. So that's all it takes to log in to your account of PNC. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.